Fellow Zimbabweans, I am an older soldier. I've seen things that do not leave a man. I stood at Heroes Acre, at buried comrades, whose blood bought this freedom. I helped to restore the legacy in November 2017, not so that one man could return the presidency into a personal kingdom. Tadapita mashukubulato wapana panama general, tukona kuti retired general, Winston Skoge Mapranga, oya achitaka maplans ari kuitiwa panguva ino ekutena our own country into a kingdom. That was subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Anokudanyira achiti, President Emmerson Mnangagwa must know this. You are a president, the king. You are elected to serve the people and the constitution of Zimbabwe and the constitution of the Republic of Zimbabwe, not to rule as if the country is a private shop. A sitting head of state has no business sneaking in and out of his own country like a common criminal under cover of darkness, without protocol, without notice of the nation he leads. How does the president live on the begs of court and return, boasting that he does not need to be asked? This is not leadership, this is impunity. This is the behavior of someone who has forgotten that power is temporary and accountable. The same God that should build schools, hospitals, and roads for people is allegedly being moved in secrecy while the nation starves. A president cannot claim to fight corruption while his name and family keep surfacing in gold smuggling scandals. I speak as one of who wore the uniform with honor. I defended Zimbabwe, not my individual. The constitution is not a piece of paper to be twisted for personal extension. The people are not subjects to be ruled from the shadows. Enough of treating state house like a family business where rules apply to everyone except the owner. Doma developments anokudanya kwa panguva ino atiri kuona kuti Winston Skoge Mapranga waya achitumira chilling message to the Zimbabwean leader panguva ino pamusoro pamadevelopments ari kuitika kubva atacha this picture rakanzi Mnangagwa declares himself king. Nako message medu dzafungira aim out kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chita on the bell icon.